After granulation, wet granules are obtained. These granules must be dried before they can be pressed into tablets. In the consigma line, this drying step is performed by a fluid bed dryer. The drying behavior of wet granules is a complex mechanism, influenced by various factors. In this thesis project, we will try to predict the drying behavior of wet granules and a function of the drying time. This thesis offers a unique link between data collection and the post-processing of the obtained correlations in a mathematical prediction model. During data collection, you will have the opportunity to work with the high-tech measurement devices at the Laboratory of Pharmaceutical Process Analytical Technology. In this project, we teach you how to determine the moisture content, a function of the granule size, by means of a chemical imaging system, and how to describe the fluidization behavior in a fluid bed dryer. After the interpretation of the experimental results, you will learn how to describe the collected data in a mathematical way for modeling purposes. The aim of this model is to predict drying behavior for new formulations in order to speed up the development time of new drugs. This thesis project is supported by industrial partners and offers you a very broad view on process engineering. Do not hesitate to contact me if you are interested in this thesis project.